In this lecture, we will go over the mechanics and the layout of the game we'll be creating. Our game is going to be using SK Scenes and Apple's Sprite Kit framework to create all of the game elements. Now the game mechanics will go like this.
You have to tap on the screen to start the game. Keep on tapping the screen to keep the main character in the air and move the main character between the two pipes. The pipes are continually being generated and move across the scene in sync with the background. The pipe generation is random, by the way. The background has 3 layers all moving at different speeds to create a scrolling parallax effect. You will notice the main character is animated. The wings are flapping and the bird is tilting and falling as you tap on the screen. As the main character moves between each set of pipes, the score increases by 1 until the main character either collides with the pipes, the ceiling, or the ground. Then the game is over. We also have some game music running while the scene is being played. And a sound effect will also play when the main character collides with the pipes, the ceiling, or the ground. Once the game is over, the Game Over scene loads. This displays the user's score, a mute button, and a Play Again button. We also have different game music playing while this scene is running.
Once again, we touched on view controllers and SK Scenes. The SK scene in our game is where all the good stuff is happening. We went over the game mechanics, so now you should have a good idea of the gameplay and the screen layout. Section 1 is now done, so let's move on to Section 2, where we'll start to code the main character, the scrolling background, and the pipes.